It's a raining. It's a pouring.
Because you just showed up.
The old man, he's snoring. What about the truck? Does the truck have anything? Nothing on the truck. Just getting a little wet.
Jump.
Treasure Isle. Labor Day weekend. And just started raining. Good times. Put the old first up over the tent. Dropped it down, try to keep as dry as I can. Oh yeah. Got your chair back.
What's wrong with you?
So good day and greetings and welcome to Labor Day weekend out here at Treasure Isle RV Park. I don't own an RV anymore, which I call the no-tell motel if you remember right. But that's what I'm camping in currently. That is a Adirondack North tent. I've got the canopy over it in case it rains, which it did earlier. That just helps keep some of the rain off of it, keep it a little drier than what it should be. So out here camping this weekend, having some frosty barley pops and hanging out with really good friends and having a good old time. Out here taking a trail walk here, got a couple people fishing out there. Pretty cool. That there's the beach. That'd be the swimming area over there. That's Fish Creek over there. We're not too far from Oneida Lake and Sylvan Beach, a few miles away. Sun's starting to set.
You wanted the silver one or something, didn't you?
She was the closest thing to get. I'll never get another silver. Are you kidding me?
What?
It's
She jumped low at Gibson Parks.
she hides when we have storms or something. Like sometimes I think.
Her eyeballs are getting tanned?
Yes.
Sweet.
Get warm. I like I work in.
It's fucking funny.
Life is good when your eyeballs are tanned.
I know, I guess so.
It's good to walk through life with tan balls.
Whether their eyes are nice eyes.
Yes. Hot.
Don't show the baby. Show them.